So you might be in this really random situation where for some reason your Magic Keyboard is just not connecting within your device. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The very first thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about here, though, is that within your Magic Keyboard, your best bet is to go through and just double check the power switch of your particular keyboard. So find your particular, notch wherever it is where you can go through and power it on and power it off. And you might want to try going through and just try powering off your particular keyboard and try powering it on. So those are one of the easiest things you can kind of do to kind of fix this problem. So try going through powering it off, then powering it on, and that is a very easy thing to do. If that doesn't work, you might want to try going through and try plugging in your keyboard and try charging up your keyboard. A lot of the times, if you just go through, plug in your keyboard and just let it charge up, that can also be another really, really important thing I'd recommend doing here too. So just plug it in, try letting it charge up, try letting it do all that, and that could be another really important thing I'd recommend doing in this particular situation as well. Now, you might also want to try going through and try doing a wired connection to plug in your particular device. So what I recommend doing here is instead of trying to go through and wirelessly connect it, you're probably better off just plugging in your particular keyboard into your device, try letting it charge up that way, and that very well could end up fixing the problem for you as well. So those are just a couple of different ways to go ahead and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.